Sorry about that. The camera cooked off. So we're gonna make this a part two. Okay, yeah, but when you brushing your teeth, and you have like herbs in it, and especially when you're using these herbs, is basically like you could taste like the sweet of it, but it's like it's not like you taste it, it's like you could just I don't know, just like some kind of like taste, but you're not tasting the sugar or the sweet in there. It don't have sugar, but like the sweetness in there. I can't even really explain, but y'all, for those who used it, that herb, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so basically, like I said, you can make your float wash with herbs. Spiritual wash, we already talked about that. Like I said, we talked about how you use herbs to cleanse your jewelry, your spiritual tools, your crystals. You can put it at your altar. You can put it around your home if you want to, in every room. Especially like when you have guests, you have company. I don't care if that's your family, your friends, your lover, your spouse. Like we don't know these people. You know what I'm saying? Spiritual energy. We got to keep our home purified. We got to protect our energy, our frequency, our vibration, our attention. We got to keep that high, especially in the home. Okay, our home is our secret space. You could actually make a lot of like skin products, hair products, beauty products. For those who mostly on a natural, you know what I'm saying? DIY side, creativity. I'm a creativity person. That's why I love natural products. I love making my own because I know what's going in there. They have too much stuff they put in these chemicals these days, and we just buying it, and messing up our skin. And the reason why they do this, and not only messing up our skin, our hair, our nails, because they want us to keep coming back. Okay, keep making them rich. Okay, keep that in mind. Yeah, so it's a whole lot what you could do with herbs. They got videos, they got research you could do. I love to do research on new DIY products, and how I could tap into that. But what I do, I don't make it exactly how they make it. I make my own creation. Like if I want to make my herb, what I'm saying, they may be using this type of herbs. I love to use what makes me happy. Okay, they may be using olive oil. I may want to use coconut oil, or like I said, any kind of other herb. You know what I'm saying? So that is how you make your own creation. And you could even take this and make this out of a business, guys. A business. Okay. So keep that in mind also. This is just not a hobby. This is your passion. This could turn into dreams, goals, success. Keep going. Okay. And don't stop. It's just like making a YouTube video and you don't have number one subscriber. Does it matter? Keep going, because guess what? Some people, somebody will turn to people. People is plural. Will need that video one day. So keep going and don't stop. Okay? Keep going after your dreams. Keep going after your goals. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to tell you all my manifestation on here, but guess what? I'm not going to stop. And this is one, you know what I'm saying? A part of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say what it is, but it's a part of it. Okay? Because I love working with herbs and I love natural products and I love DIYs. And I'm a creative person. You know what I'm saying? So just keep going, guys. So remember, herbs is very highly recommended when it comes down to spirituality. You could use so much. Be checking out my videos, guys, because my videos actually be about a lot of DIYs creativities and how you can use less chemicals and go naturally. Now, don't get me wrong. We have to go in these stores to get some stuff, right? But not really, because we actually can make the best of what we have. And making the best of what you have is creativity. Stepping into your creativity, and it create more creativity. So remember, when you go in those grocery stores and you see those herbs, don't pass them up. Pick them up, because guess what? You gonna need it. Definitely how the way the world going. Okay, so let's keep purchasing, going to the stores, purchasing this, purchasing that. We can make our own stuff. Okay. And essence oils is also good. If you want to like have a scent in it, instead of putting like using all this other products, perfumes and stuff. I'm gonna make a video how I make my perfume with essence oils, and it lasts longer. So they have to keep spraying and spraying and roll on, roll on. Don't get me wrong, I love my roll on. It's good to have like one bottle of your good perfume or one of your good roll on, right? But I really love essence oil like perfume because it also helps you to meditate, stay calm, and it don't irritate your skin. And it also helping your skin and your beauty, okay? And it just smells so simply irresistible, okay? So sorry about the video clicking off, guys. So thank you for tuning in. I have more videos to come, more content. Keep your notification bells on to get more from Empress Star, Free Spirit I Am, okay? And let's grow together, okay? Stay blessed.